Good morning. This is a midday update for buysellshort.com for Tuesday, January 13th. Here we have the Dow, a little bit more weakness. We had a pop on the open, but we've given it back mostly because they continue to go after the financial stocks, BAC and Citigroup. But as you can see on the 15-minute chart, we've fallen yet again into another one of these steep, bullish falling wedges, just like we have on two previous occasions over the last month. We would look for some consolidation here today and into tomorrow before we see another up move in this very nice trading range we've been stuck in from 81 to 300 to 9K. We do have options expiration on Friday, and the put holders have gotten very fat and very greedy over the last week or so. But it's not to say we won't see a little bit more weakness today. The last couple of steep sell-offs, we've seen consolidation for about a day or so. So we're probably seeing that right now. You know, a little trading range between 8,400 and 8,500 before we begin the move up. Daily chart, as you can see, we've got pretty good support in the 83,400 area. We have come off nicely, and now stochastics have bottomed out now in the 20. One thing to note, this is the smallest point loss we've seen over the last 6 months on a stochastics dip like this. So that is a positive. And if we actually flip over to the VIX, we did get that bounce off the 200-day moving average, which was to be expected. And we've got a little red on it today. Remains to be seen. We'll know by the close if this is it, and we're going to continue lower and finally break this on the VIX. The option crooks on CNBC are hoping to hell that the VIX does not break down because market's pretty dead for them without it. SMH, nice strength today in the SMH on the open. We had a big pop, but they've been slowly selling into it for most of the day. Again, this one, nice retrace. We're getting almost to a nice rebound area on this as well. So, like I said, we've got options expiration on Friday. We'll probably see another push to the downside just to give the put guys and shorts a little more balls to hold on to what they have before they smack them silly and the option troll comes and gobbles up all their profits. That's what we're looking for. Tomorrow we've got the oil inventory report out, I believe. Last week saw a massive build in oil inventories, and like I've been saying for a few days, we actually need oil to run for this market to run. Strange as it sounds, but when oil is up, the market is up. So that probably will be our setup tomorrow if the number comes in better than expected. Just a quick update on some of our small cap plays. GNBT has had some very nice buying since late yesterday. We're looking for a move over 50 cents on this stock. Would look to add it anywhere in the 35 cent and under area. We got positive money flow today. ADX has gone positive. Unbalanced volume has a nice spike in it. And stochastics now coming up out of the basement. So the chart looks really, really good for a nice spike here on GNBT. KERX, another one of our patient cash-rich biotech holes. This one woke up nicely today, traded as high as 32 cents. If it dips back to under the 25, 24 cent area, would look to pick up a scalp play on this one. These guys are presenting at the JP Morgan biotech conference. They were a late addition, so possibly some news is coming here. As you can see from the chart, the indicators are just very strong. ADX, very, very, very strong. And stochastics now upturning, so we could see this one really put in a kind of candle we've seen on the last couple of big moves. PRXM, this is a wireless broadband play. They had news today that's been missed by the market. They've hired an investment banker to help them with unsolicited offers. So this is a company, $55 million in revenue, trading below its cash value, and it looks like they got some buyout offers. A move over 25 cents here, and we're looking at a move at least to the 200-day moving average. Has pretty strong support in the 16 to 18 cent area. And indicator looks really, really good. Been going up on heavy volume and retracing on low volume. CYTR. This is one of these cash-rich bios that has yet to run. These guys have $30 million cash, and they also own 45% of another biotech company, RXII. So that gives them another 30 million plus. So we've got a $28 million stock market cap stock, that's got 60 million plus in assets, not even including their drug pipeline. Breakout 32 cents here. We're still looking for a move to 40 cents on this. Indicators look really, really nice here. Unbalanced volume, stochastics breaking up, and this is one that's been lagging, and traders are looking for these kind of plays right now. Quick mention on NXXI, Nutrition 21. We're looking for a move to the 200-day moving average here. That is at 32 cents. Nice, strong support down here, and won't take much for this one to pop for. Quick update on NEXM. This was a trading alert yesterday, 14 cents. As high as almost 30 cents today, 100% move. As I mentioned in the alert, we booked half gains, and then we're going to see what happens with the news that's coming out. GTCB was a huge winner for us yesterday, just winners all over the place. And, we take a little piece of profits, and then we move into the next new cheap penny play. Today it's PRXM. So that's really it for the update. All our other plays are still in play. There's just so many stocks. I just wanted to highlight some of the newer plays that look ready to move, and like KERX has shown us, we buy the quality cash-rich plays and we just sit on them, and the runs come eventually. Look at ZHN. I mean, there's so many of them that we've had 50, 100% plus moves on recently, and we're just trading water here on the Dow, waiting for them, to suck all the shorts in again before we see the next trading channel move back to 9K, which should happen in the next couple of days. Keep an eye on the financials, BAC, Citigroup, and JP Morgan. You see them turn higher, and that should be an indication that they're ready to jam us for options if they're going to do that. That's it for the update. See you guys in the chat room. Bye.